about to stock my new refrigerator. If I can get inside. Y'all, I forgot to buy cucumbers and my salad, but I'll get it tomorrow. Okay, so let's stock the refrigerator. Y'all, so I'm back and it's like an hour or two later from when I originally was fixing it. So what I'm about to do is put the water in there because I didn't put my water in there, and my face stuff. So the stuff should be good and cold now. So this is what it looks like so far. So I want to thank y'all for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. Many more of these to come. Thank y'all for the support. Turn on your post notifications. Follow my social medias. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all. And I also got that on top of the fridge. But bye.